What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. Here we have alkyl group and another alkyl group. They are connected to each other with an oxygen atom, so we are dealing with an ether. So that's methoxy group. Methyl and oxygen is going to be methoxy group. It connects to the first carbon because that's going to be 1, 2 and so on. So that's going to be 1 methoxy cyclohexene. Hexene because we have this double bond here. So 1, 2, 1 methoxy cyclohexene. That's the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it useful, and also you can subscribe this channel to have access to many other different videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.